Namaste guys, myself Sandeep Sharma. Welcome to my channels. Today I teach you how to do padamasana. Okay, let's start. Your legs will stretch and shake your legs. Okay, first your left legs, your knee up, sorry ankle, and press down your left knee here like this. Okay, let's start. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, hold your legs, change your legs up and press down. Take the feet more up, knee down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Fold your legs, shake your legs. Then you have to take both legs. Okay, first your left legs more near your stomach here. Okay, then the right legs up, hands catch your ankle, hand forward here. Okay, then inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. That is padamasana. How to do slow you have to try. Okay, thank you so much.